Undercertification of payment certificates. What are the contractor's options if the payment certificates are being unreasonably undercertified? Undercertification of interim applications for payment are very common. If you're a contractor's representative or QS, you've probably heard the following from the FIDIC engineer's QS. The site measurements were not done properly, or measurement sheets were not supplied for areas of work being claimed for. Two key issues must be discussed. If measurements were not provided by the contractor, did the engineer comply with his obligations in accordance with the contract? Was the contractor notified by the engineer about any works not complying with the requirements of the contract? As a contractor's QS, your response to the first point could be as follows. Pursuant to subclause 12.1, the works are to be measured by the engineer. The contractor is only obliged, as and when requested, to attend to, examine and agree the records with the engineer and sign the same when agreed. If the contractor does not attend, the records shall be accepted as accurate. Therefore, you could ask the engineer to use his measurement records to certify the works. You could also remind him that if he did not officially notify the contractor and failed to independently carry out measurements and then undercertified the works, it is deemed to be a breach of contract and that you would be submitting a claim in relation to the same.